p5-gettext, Haiku port, take 2565. And we're rolling. Okay, so I'm going to go over, I did this, and it took a little bit too long, and I didn't have any sound, so that was okay. I'm going to do this again. This is Perl 5, the getText module for Perl 5. Basically, what I'm going to do is cheat in a very small way. I am going to fix one compilation error, and then I'm going to copy a file from the system that contains an already full installation of Perl 5. And then I am going to copy some things here and there, make a few small edits, and then it'll install without a problem. So, we said that, and get started over here. And you can see that it's actually installed, but because I had no audio and I actually want to do this on camera to show what I've done that's unusual, I am going to do it again. So I'm going to package delete. If you're wondering why this works in my system, I have aliases. So I have other videos on how to do aliases, and this is going to be p5-gettext. Next I'm going to do is make clean, and also because be make clean, and also because I found when I made my last video that it, even though I ran make clean, it seemed to want to keep some of the files I had before. I'm going to go in there and look around and make sure that they're all gone, because there shouldn't be anything in the work directory. So never had this happen before. The package we're interested in is in the devel subdirectory of whatever your package source root is. Maybe this make file here. Alright, so I don't think I've edited that. Patches. Didn't make any patches, so it's okay. Alright, so do the bmake install. It's the same as go, but I'll type it out every once in a while. Bmake has been aliased. Oh, look at him go. It's gonna go ahead and try to get all the source code that we would ever want for this package. It will fail at some point when it tries to call a header file called perl.h. At least it should. Here's the work directory up here. I'm anticipating a fail soon, and there we are. So, for some reason, Haiku has been able to remember. Okay, here it is. Here's the error. In the file included, there's an include file, basically a header, in getText XS, line number 2. Line number 2. So we go over here to our downloaded source code. Go down here to this file, as I try to explain while I'm asthmatic. Get rid of the quotes around this to make it so it calls to the system Perl header and not a local Perl header. So I'm doing the exact opposite of what I did before with zip30. So I've edited that, and I'm going to attempt the compilation again, which is part of the steps that we did before. Fail again, which is expected. Why does this look the same? Okay, well maybe that never was a problem. Who knows? It's looking for a file called HaikuOS.h, and I'm going to run a find command. I already know it's not in this source code tree, so instead of, which I don't believe it is, not there. I'm going to look in the system for it, and it says it's in boot system lib Perl 5, 5.18.12, blah, 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 HaikuOS. So let's go over to the blah, blah, blah directory. Just got to get up to boot system. Go down to lib. Perl 5, 5.18.2. Wonder why they have 2 installed there. Probably because they want their HaikuOS header. Okay, let me go to BEPC. Right there. And then we go down to core. We go to Haiku directory. We get this. Grab this HaikuOS. And of course, I don't have the directory open because that would be convenient. So I gotta go here. Home, package source, development. Go into p5-gettext. Wait for it to finish reloading. Go to the work directory. Gettext file. Paste that sucker there. Go down to the Perl. Where's the Perl header? Please. So I have to edit this HaikuOS thing, actually. Change this Unix-ish after I remove the read-only. Just have it with quotes. There should be a Unix-ish file in... Did I put this in the wrong place? Where am I supposed to put this thing? I'm supposed to copy this thing. Alright, maybe I'm supposed to put it here. Alright, so done that. Don't know how it's going to call a file that isn't there. Let's try to recompile again. Or did it just find it? Okay, now it's, oh yeah, and the other thing I had to do is make a copy of this thing, which is probably where it needs to go. Anyway, put build link directory, then go down this path, Perl 5, paste, and now I gotta look for the Perl header, which will be here. Edit the Perl header. Go to line 2464, which, oh, by magic, doesn't have the error that it had before. It used to have haiku / so I don't know how the file system was able to remember that, but it did. So change it and bmake install, and it will compile and install without a problem. So that's your Perl 5-gettext. Things didn't work exactly the way I remember it. Don't know why, but that's what I had to do. Done with that one.